Guys, welcome back to civil engineering YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. In today's lecture we are going to find out the quantity of the concrete for this beam. So we see here the dimension of the beam, where the length of the beam is 5 meter. We see here the width of the beam or the breadth of the beam is 0.2 meter, and the depth or the thickness of the beam here is 0.3 meter. And this is a reinforced cement concrete beam, RCC beam, where we have concrete here inside this beam, and we want to find out that how much weight of the concrete is present here, or how much the quantity of the concrete is present here in this beam. Concrete quantity. So I will show it in a very easy and simple way, so you can find the other quantity of the beams in the same way. So the first step to find the quantity of the concrete is just to find out the volume of the beam. So volume of the beam is the 3 dimensions of the beam, which means the length of the beam into width of the beam into depth of the beam. So taking these 3 dimensions into each other, then we will find out the volume of the beam, or simply the volume of the concrete. So now the length of the beam is 5 meter is given to us, the width of the beam is 0.2 meter here, and the depth of the beam here is 0.3 meter. So now by multiplying this, we will get the volume of the beam here comes out to be 0.3 cubic meter. Now 0.3 cubic meter is the volume of the concrete present in this beam. But here keep in mind that we are ignoring the steel reinforcement because they are very small in dimension. That's why steel reinforcing. We are ignoring the steel reinforcing bars here. So that's why the volume of the concrete is totally the volume of the beam, which is the 3 dimensions of the beam. Now we want to find out the weight of the concrete. So how to find out this? We know that the density of the concrete, it's a standard value. The density of the concrete, of only the concrete, is around, the density of the concrete is 2500 kilogram per cubic meter. This is the density of the concrete. Keep in mind, this is a general value which everyone should keep in mind. This is the density of the concrete. Now to find out the weight of the concrete for this beam, weight of concrete for this beam, so we have to multiply the volume of the beam or volume of the concrete, multiplying it with the density of the concrete. So the volume of the beam or volume of the concrete is known to us. This is the volume of the concrete. The volume of the concrete is known to us, which is 0.3 meter here, 0.3 cubic meter. Multiplying it with the density of the concrete. The density of the concrete is, we know that it is a standard value, and it is 2500 kilogram per cubic meter. So cubic meter will be cancelled, and here we get the value of the only the concrete, weight of the concrete only, and it comes out to be 750 kilogram, or we can say 0.750 ton. So this amount of the concrete here is 0.750 tons of concrete is used for this beam with a dimension of 5 meter, 0.2 meter width, and the thickness of 0.3 meter. So hope you guys understand the today's lecture, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. Thank you for watching our video.